Welcome to our lecture online, and as a final example in how to project something that we normally are accustomed to in 2 dimensions into a 3rd dimension to make a line into in this case, a plane in 3 dimensions. Here is a nice example. So let's say we have the xy plane and we have a line going through the x equals 3 point and the y equals 3 point, and of course that equation can be defined by x plus y is equal to 3. And of course, if you did not have any other context, you can assume that that is simply an equation of a line in a 2-dimensional space. But it can also be a plane in a 3-dimensional space by projecting it outward into the z direction. And of course, since z is not defined, it can be any direction or any distance in the z direction, and it can go infinitely in the positive or negative z direction. So here we have it now projected into the xyz, instead of plane, the xyz space. And so again, the line that's projected on the xy plane that goes to the 2 points where x equals 3 and y equals 3 like we had over there, but now we pull it upward, and also we can pull it downward infinitely in both directions, now giving us a plane so that the cross section of it anywhere along parallel to the xy plane will give us the equation x plus y is equal to 3. And that's essentially taking the 2-dimensional line and projecting it into the 3rd dimension to give it a 3-dimensional shape, in this case the shape of a plane. Again, it's simplistic in nature, but later on we'll show you how to make more complicated graphs in 3 dimensions, but at least here you can see how that projection mechanism works when we take a 2-dimensional line and project it into space to make it a 3-dimensional curve or surface, and that's how it's done.